Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Start with the greatest name of Allah who is most kind and merciful. So I am going to start my first semester examination 2K20 presentation as per instruction of Higher Education Commission. My four topics are loop, program execution, linear and binary search and Java principles. So the presentation subject is object oriented programming Java. First of all, let me introduce myself. I am Hamad Ahmad Abro from Computer Science Department, based 2K19, Sindh University Campus, Ladkana. Roll number 21. My first topic, loop. Let's start with my topic. Go ahead. First of all, a little definition of loop. Looping in a programming language is a feature which facilitates execution of a set of instructions repeatedly while some condition evaluates true. It executes a program until the condition does not evaluate true. So the little program of a loop. First of all, we create a public static void main function in the program. Then we take a data type in a form of integer int a terminator. System.println Java assignment. It is a theory which we can write anything that Java assignment or looping program or something we can say anything we can write in this field. System.out.println the numbers arranged. It's also the theory we can write anything. Here we use loop, for loop. A is equal to 0 means number started from 0. Terminator in A greater than A less than 10 and terminator then A plus plus bracket over, and here the bracket started of the program system.out.println.a and terminator, then we break over the bracket of loop and the bracket of program. So the result of the program is the numbers arranged. Here the number start from 1, number start from 0, 1, 2, 3. Here's the number are written in a sequence way, means the increment of one number in every number. First of all 1, then increment of one number in 1 is 2, 3, 4. The same way the loop program executed. Then second one topic is program execution. Java, being a platform independent programming language, doesn't work on one-step compilation. Instead, it involves a two-step execution, first through an independent compiler and second JVM, which is custom built for every operating system. JVM means Java Virtual Machine. A program can be executed only after it has been compiled. When we have the file class name dot class, if we do not have that class name, the program cannot be executed. So the process is, first of all write the program, then compile it, so then execute it, and Java compiler take the code, then run the program. The third one topic is linear and binary search. A linear search scans one item at a time without jumping to any item. Linear search means it search or sort a list in a sequence way. The worst case complexity is sometimes known as zero search. Time taken to search elements keep increasing as the number of elements are increased. If we have the most numbers in a list, then it take too much time. For example, we search the numbers from 1 to 15, then it take much time as we search from 1 to 5. We search the numbers in sequence 1, 2, 3 or 4. We do not have to skip any number in linear search. A binary search, however, cut down your search to half as soon as you find the middle of a sorted list. So in a binary search, we can skip the numbers to find the given number. The middle element is looked to check if a greater than or less than the value to be searched. So we can see that middle number if we find or search that given number. Accordingly, search is done to either half of a given list. So So in the half of list, the service search can be completed, or we can find our number. So the difference between linear and binary search. Important input data needs to sorted in a binary search and not in linear search. So in linear search, the list could be sorted. In binary search, the list could not be sorted. A linear search does the sequential access, where a binary search access data randomly. In linear search, we search any number in sequential way. So in binary search, we can search randomly by skipping any number. Time complexity of linear search. Binary search has a time complexity 0 login. So it is linear search take much time, and the binary search does not take any much time. Linear search perform equality comparison, and binary search performs ordering comparison. So the example of linear search: to find element in a given sorted list, find J. So here is the list 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, or numbers to 23, and in down there is a alphabetical letters. So we have to find the J. So we go through the linear search 0, 1, 2, then go at the 9 number there is a J. So our search completed to go in a sequential way. Example of binary search: to find the J in same list. So first of all, we jump to 11 number. There is L11. We could not found. Then go back to fifth, and then 8. Then at 9 there is J. So our search completed. We skipped previous number 0, 1, 2, 3 to find J in a binary search. So last one topic in 4 topic is Java principle. The basic 3 principles of Java are the inheritance, polymorphism, and encapsulation. Inheritance is the process of defining a new class based on existing class. For example, we have purchased in a life example is we have purchased a car. So if the manager or creator of car, if update the car, then we put it amplifier or anything which inherits something is called inheritance. Its common data members and methods inherit allowed to reuse the code. We can reuse our code in inheritance to make a new program. It improves reusability in your Java application. The program example of Java. Polymorphism is the capability of method to do different things based in the object that acting upon other words. Polymorphism allows you to define interface, have multiple implementation. We can implement anything in our program in polymorphism. Encapsulation is defined as the wrapping of the data under a single unit. So we can wrap our data in other program in a single unit. The mechanism that binds together code the data manipulates. Thank you. That's all my presentation of